In a world often characterized by individualism, the journey of seeking support represents an essential facet of our shared humanity. It embodies the courage to acknowledge our vulnerabilities and the wisdom to seek strength in the collective. A problem shared is a problem halved. A strong person is not the one who doesn't need help, but the one who has the courage to ask for it. Don't be afraid to lean on others. Together, you can achieve more. Don't be afraid to share your burden. Others are willing to help carry it. In seeking support, we cultivate a garden of resilience within ourselves. In seeking support, we discover the power of togetherness. In seeking support, we find the courage to bloom despite the darkness. In seeking support, we find the courage to face our fears. In seeking support, we find the courage to rewrite our own endings. In seeking support, you create a network of resilience. In seeking support, you find the strength to overcome any obstacle. It takes a village to build a life worth living. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to seek support. Never underestimate the power of a supportive community. No one can do it all alone. Seeking support is a natural part of life. No one is self-made. We all need a hand to hold at some point in our journey. Seek support, and you'll discover the world is full of people who want to see you succeed. Seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Seeking support is like recharging your batteries. It keeps you going. Strength comes not from doing it alone, but from seeking help when needed. Strength is not about going it alone, but about knowing when to seek a helping hand. Strength is not found in isolation, but in the community we build through seeking support. Strength is not measured by how much you can do alone, but by how much support you can accept. Strength is not the absence of vulnerability, but the courage to embrace it through seeking support. Strength lies in our ability to seek help when we need it. Support is the anchor that keeps us steady in the stormy seas of life. Support is the bridge that connects dreams to reality. Support is the bridge that connects one heart to another. Support is the bridge that helps you cross the river of challenges. Support is the compass that guides you through the storm. Support is the foundation on which we build our most resilient selves. Support is the foundation upon which success is built. Support is the fuel that ignites your inner fire. Support is the gentle nudge that helps us take the first step towards healing. Support is the key that unlocks the door to our true potential. Support is the key that unlocks your full potential. Support is the lifeline that pulls us from the depths of despair. Support is the roadmap that guides us through the toughest terrains of life. Support is the safety net that catches us when we stumble. Support is the thread that weaves the fabric of our shared humanity. Support is the wind beneath your wings. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher. The beauty of seeking support is that it gives you the opportunity to grow beyond your limits. The best support is often found in the unlikeliest of places. The best support is often the encouragement to believe in yourself. The best support often comes from those who have been through it themselves. The journey becomes lighter when we have someone to share the load with. The most beautiful symphonies are composed of many supporting notes. There is no shame in needing support. It is a fundamental part of our shared journey. Together, we are stronger than any challenge. Together, we can accomplish what we can't alone. Together, we can turn mountains into molehills. We are not meant to walk alone. Seeking support is the acknowledgement of our shared humanity. We find our true selves not in solitude, but in the connections we build through seeking support. We rise by lifting others. When you seek support, you empower yourself to overcome anything. When you seek support, you find the courage to rewrite your story. When you seek support, you give others the opportunity to be kind. When you seek support, you open the door to growth and resilience. You are not alone. There are people who want to help you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or how you apply these motivational quotes in your life in the comment section below. Subscribe now to stay connected and be a part of our journey to inspire positive change in the world.